Looking for sewer line inspection in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how frustrating and messy a sewer line problem can be. Slow drains, recurring backups, don't wait for a costly disaster. Our sewer line inspection service uses state-of-the-art camera technology to pinpoint the exact cause of your plumbing issues. Whether it's tree root intrusion, a cracked pipe, or a simple blockage, we'll find it. This saves you time, money, and unnecessary digging. In Sherwood Park, we know the soil conditions and common plumbing challenges can contribute to sewer line issues. That's why Kingstree Plumbing offers specialised solutions tailored to the needs of local homeowners. Keep watching to learn why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sewer line inspection in Sherwood Park.